Hey there, adventurers and professionals alike. Today, we're diving into the world of seamless communication with the Cobra PX650 professional rechargeable two-way radios. Whether you're out in the wild, on a job site, or coordinating an event, these radios are your trusty sidekicks. First off, let's talk design. The Cobra PX650 radios sport a sleek, compact look, making them easy to carry around. They're built tough, so you don't have to worry about those accidental drops or harsh weather conditions. One of the standout features is their impressive range. These radios can cover up to 35 miles in optimal conditions. That's right, 35 miles. Perfect for those long hikes or widespread work areas. You'll stay connected no matter where you are. And let's not forget about power. The Cobra PX650 radios come with rechargeable batteries, ensuring you're always ready to go. Plus, they come with a dual-port charger, so you can power up both radios at the same time. These radios are packed with useful features. They have 22 channels and 121 privacy codes, giving you a whopping 2,662 channel combinations to choose from. You can easily avoid interference and have a clear line of communication. The backlit LCD screen is another great touch. It's easy to read in any light condition, and the simple button layout means you can navigate through functions quickly, even with gloves on. Whether you're on a construction site, hiking through the mountains, or just keeping in touch at a large event, these radios perform flawlessly. The hands-free operation with Vox allows you to communicate without stopping what you're doing. So, if you're in the market for reliable, rugged, and feature-packed two-way radios, the Cobra PX650 professional rechargeable radios should be at the top of your list. Stay connected, stay safe, and keep your adventures or projects running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy communicating!